Para sa mga Bibo, let's take the mighty quiz, State of the Nation Address Edition. I am Mona Magdovelus. I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. Game na! Which president delivered the first State of the Nation address in Philippine history? Emilio Aguinaldo or Manuel Quezon? Correct answer, Manuel Quezon. Aguinaldo delivered a State of the Revolution address in September 1899, but it was Quezon who gave the first SONA in front of the National Assembly in 1935. Next, which president delivered the longest SONA in Philippine history? Ferdinand Marcos Sr. or Ferdinand Marcos Jr.? Correct answer, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. His 1969 SONA lasted about 2 hours and 40 minutes. Next, which president aside from Emilio Aguinaldo did not deliver a State of the Nation address? Jose P. Laurel or Sergio Osmeña? Correct answer, Jose P. Laurel. The Japanese-endorsed 1943 Constitution did not require a SONA. Next, which president delivered his SONA from a hospital bed? Carlos P. Garcia or Elpidio Quirino? Correct answer, Elpidio Quirino. Quirino's 1950 SONA was broadcasted via radio from Johns Hopkins Hospital in Baltimore, where he was recovering from surgery. Last question, which president first delivered the SONA in Filipino? Joseph Estrada or Benigno Aquino Jr.? Correct answer, Benigno Aquino Jr. Noynoy Aquino used Filipino in all 6 of his SONAs from 2010 to 2015. Nakailan kayo? Share your score in the comments and challenge your history-loving, politics-obsessed friends. O, diba?
Meow meow.